I'm Yuto, and today on Sudachi I'm going to show you how to make simple and delicious Japanese style grilled mackerel called Saba no Shioyaki. Let's get started. Here I have one Japanese mackerel that has been divided into 2 fillets and deboned. First I'm going to place them in a bowl of cold water and gently rub the surface to clean them. Once that's done, dry them with kitchen paper and place them in a container. Pour a tablespoon of sake over the top and just rub it all over until the mackerel is evenly coated. The sake helps soften the fishy odors and tenderizes the flesh, so I highly recommend doing this. Put a lid on top and store it in the fridge for about 15 minutes, 30 if you have time. Once the time is up, start preheating your grill on a medium-high setting. I'm using a Japanese fish grill, but an oven grill or broiler works just as well. While you wait, take the mackerel from the fridge and dry it with kitchen paper once more. We want the skin to crisp up nicely, so it's important there isn't too much moisture. Place the fillets on a chopping board and make shallow diagonal incisions across the skin like this. This will allow the salt to penetrate the skin side and also help prevent it curling too much. Just don't cut it too deep. Finally, sprinkle both sides with a generous pinch of salt. How much salt you use depends on your preference, but I'd say I use about 1 teaspoon for this whole mackerel. The grill should be hot by now, so let's cook. Place the mackerel with the skin side down first and grill for about 4 minutes. This timing is approximate and depends on the thickness of your fish and the strength of the heat. If you're using a whole fish, it will take a lot longer. Try and lay it down so that it's directly underneath the heat source if possible. If you're making multiple portions, you might need to grill them in batches to ensure even cooking. After 4 minutes, flip them over and cook for 3 minutes on the other side, or until the skin is nicely browned and the fish is cooked all the way through. This is beautifully browned and ready to serve. I'm just going to grate some daikon radish to place on the side of the mackerel. This adds a refreshing touch to the dish. I also like to add a squeeze of citrus. I'm using Sudachi this time, but you could use lemon or lime if that's more accessible. Saba no Shioyaki is perfect with rice and miso soup and makes a great Japanese style set meal. Thanks so much for watching, and if you want to learn more about this recipe, the link to my blog is in the description. Thanks again, have a great day.